welcome back to my channel. So this video is about mystery box challenge and इसका introduction video बहुत पहले shoot हो चुका था, but due to some technical issue I was not able to post it. So here we go with another introduction, and this mystery box is all about where my sister has made a mystery box of worth rupees 5,000. So I'm very excited about this mystery box, and if you are interested about this video, keep on watching. So let's start with the biggest box. Okay, so it's from Nykaa and I'm assuming कि इसके अंदर स्किन केयर और मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे. So let's see. Okay. So that's it. Oh my God. इतना सारा. How you manage इतना सारा?
Just because of Diwali sale.
Oh. So yeah.
Let's open it.
Let's open it, guys, one by one. You give it to me. So I'm very excited. Okay, so the first gift is this Dermaco face cream, and I'm very excited because this is new to me. So let's open the second gift. And okay, so the second product is again from the Dermaco, and it's a face serum, and again this is new for me and I'm excited to use this. Have you used this before?
Yes, it's nice.
Okay. So
What's this? Guess.
I guess ये कोई तो eyes palette या कुछ तो होगा because it's very
अगर
strong.
guess किया तो तुम्हारा नहीं तो मेरा.
ये सब मेरे लिए ही है ना? आपने मेरे लिए ही तो लाया है. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a color corrector base palette from the Swiss Beauty.
So you guessed it wrong. So it's mine.
No, it's mine, obviously. So we are opening gift number 4, and it feels like it's my birthday.
And that is wrong.
I know.
What is this?
Oh my God! Why you bought soap dispenser for me?
Because it's marble and you like it.
Oh, nice.
Your
Nice
choice.
thought.
So let's go on next one.
Okay, so it's a liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty, and again it's new for me because
Because
मेरे
you
पास
don't use makeup
हाँ
products.
yeah, and that's the reason I guess you bought so much from Nykaa and all about makeup. So yeah, I'm excited because I'm not that a big fan of makeup.
She will use all the products and
Yeah.
make a video. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so next is this face kit from Good Vibes.
For your skincare routine.
Oh, nice. Finally, मैं अब तेरा makeup use नहीं करूँगी because I used to use her makeup for the videos, and I'm glad she gifted me. What is this?
Yeah, it's an eye.
Eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay, ये खुल नहीं रहा है. It's again from the Swiss Beauty.
So you have a lot of products from Swiss Beauty.
I know.
Budget maintain करना था ना.
Oh, yeah. And Swiss Beauty के प्रोडक्ट सारे बजट में आ जाते हैं, so it's good option. And ये कोई ad वीडियो नहीं है. Okay, so again we have this highlighter palette from the Swiss Beauty, and ये मेरी बहन के पास सेम थी और मैं ये कब से उसे बोल रही थी I want this, and finally she got for me, and thank you so much. Okay, so next की पैकेजिंग अपने आप खुल गई है. What is this?
It's an orange gel.
Okay, it's a orange face gel from the brand Good Vibes, and I don't know what's its purpose.
It's
Maybe-
like a substitute for aloe vera gel.
Okay, nice. So let's open the last product of makeup, I guess. Last time?
I guess.
Okay.
No.
Oh, it's not a makeup. Okay, it's something from Home Center, and it's a
It's a-
diffuser set. Okay. So I guess what's the purpose ये fragrance अच्छी लाता है ना शायद
Yeah,
room
it's
में.
an aroma oil.
Oh, nice, nice. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my God, I can see something which is lilac in color. I guess it's a purse, sling bag, or a side bag, shoulder bag actually.
You like it?
Yeah, I loved it. It's
So
so
after
beautiful.
you, I will take
No, it's mine. You have gifted me. Oh my God, look at the color, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's a lilac, which is my current favorite color, and it's a shoulder bag. I just loved it.
See, I know I'm a sister.
Yeah, you know my choice very well. बट आई डिडंट थॉट कि तो मैनेज कर पाएगी बिकॉज हम दोनों की चॉइस लाइक नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल है बिकॉज वी आर सो डिफरेंट इन दिस फैशन एंड मेकअप बट आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट सो फार.
So next.
Okay, so next box is from the purple and let's open it. Guys, अगर आप लोग चाहते होगे कि मैं मेरी बहन के साथ और वीडियोस बनाऊं तो आप लोग कुछ आइडियाज कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हो एंड मुझे बहुत पसंद है इसे परेशान करना और इसे वीडियोस में लाना बिकॉज शी इज नॉट दैट पर्सन, शी इज नॉट अ कैमरा पर्सन एक्चुअली. Oh, again it's a makeup. It's a real makeup base from the Swiss Beauty again.
It's a highlighter primer. You know, you will get that glow for your camera videos.
Oh, nice. I have never used it and मैंने कभी इसके बारे में सुना भी नहीं है. So we'll try this. This purple packaging is very good. हाँ, मतलब बहुत सारे bubble wrap में पैक करके देते हैं. Oh, it's a sunscreen. Okay, it's a sunscreen.
You go out, so you will not get a tan.
Okay, ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटा है but I guess 2-3 यूज में complete हो जाएगा.
You have to go with the budget.
Yeah, if I like it, I'm going to order in bigger size. So the next is, let's open the next product. Oh, it's a cycle. Why you got this for me?
For your room decor.
Okay, acha, for backdrops and all. I will use this in my videos. It's
And
a
you like
decor.
antique things, so.
Yeah, it's a decor. Even I can keep here so many things like remotes and all. So yeah, it's a good one. Next is this box and open it. So guys, if you want me to make more videos with my sister, let me know in the comment section. And please suggestions देना और मैं क्या बना सकती हूँ मेरी sister के साथ because I love making videos with her and she's a camera shy person. So मैं आज भी इसे बहुत forcefully लाई हूँ. इनफैक्ट ये चैलेंज का वीडियो की सारी चीज़ें बहुत पहले आ चुकी थी but we are finally filming it today because she was not ready to come in front of camera. Okay, I again feel it's something antique and for the room decor. What is it? Okay, so we have to do this in this way. Oh, it's cute. Let's open it. Okay, it's from Myntra and I am guessing कि ये कोई ना कोई like cloth related item है. Oh, it's an HRX t-shirt. Oh wow, it's so cute. It's from the brand UCB and look at the color you guys. It's so pretty. It's powder blue and I'm glad कि तूने मुझे ये दिया because she know how much I love lilac and powder blue color nowadays. So the next is the smallest I guess. सब में से सबसे छोटा यही है ना?
But you will like it.
Okay. Box के अंदर फिर से पैकेजिंग है. मेकअप तो नहीं है फिर से? I think it's a makeup because it's, oh yeah, it's a makeup product. It's a eyeshadow tray.
Did you like it?
Wait, let me first see the whole product. Oh wow, it has this beautiful shades and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा shades मिल जाते हैं. ये book की तरह open होता है. Wow, it's so cool. I'm going to try this.
Shades.
Oh, 60 shades.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so cool. I'm going to experiment a lot with my eyes now.
And she will make video for you.
No, I don't make makeup videos, but we'll try. So let's open it. Oh my god, it's a mug.
Mugs और cups से इसको इतना प्यार है कि एक mug तो लाना ही पड़ा.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's so pretty and it has this cute emoji on it. And obviously I'm going to use this a lot. And it's very pretty. हमको ये बॉक्स के अंदर एक और गिफ्ट मिला है. आई गेस इट्स अ कैंडल. या इट्स अ पिलर कैंडल फ्रॉम द वेस्ट साइड एंड या आई लव कैंडल्स सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस एज अ बैकड्रॉप.
Okay, so next gift you have to guess.
Okay.
And this is very useful for your next video.
ओके, सो मुझे लग रहा है फिर से मेकअप तो नहीं है.
नहीं, it will be useful for your videos, like something showpiece type.
Oh, it's a decor item.
Yeah.
Nice. I guess because I am thinking of making a Diwali decor haul and I think I will be making soon. Next video वही होगा. Let's open this. candle holder. Wow, it's so cute. आई नो ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा देखे हैं सारे यूट्यूब्स पे, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है एज अ बैकड्रॉप. ओके, इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड आप लोग इसे ऐसे हैंग भी कर सकते हो. और ये कैंडल होल्डर के साथ आता है, सो इवन यू गेट वन कैंडल फॉर इट. एंड ये कितने हैं पीसेस?
Total 3 pieces.
ओके, सो आई विल नॉट ओपन देम अभी.
Our next gift, you will totally love it.
ओके, सो ओह इट्स फ्रॉम शुगर. एंड इससे पहले मेरे पास शुगर के एक भी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं थे. फाइनली आई एम सो हैप्पी. अच्छा, ये वो वाले मिनी लिपस्टिक किट्स है. या आई हैव सीन दिस और इसकी इतनी एड्स आती है इंस्टा पे. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस बनाना लूज पाउडर फ्रॉम शुगर एंड
Next.
okay, mini lipsticks. Oh nice, I love the shades. Yes, totally I am happy with this mystery box because मुझे बहुत सारी new चीज़ें मिली, especially makeup and skincare. And I am going to experiment a lot with this makeup product and going to mention it on my Instagram. So the Instagram link will be mentioned below. You can check the description. Again, it's from Sugar. And ये क्या है? Guess.
Yeah, it's a palette.
Oh, it's a palette. Nice, I loved it.
So the last gift is remaining. अब तक तुझे क्या क्या पसंद आया?
ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग मेरी जो सबसे फेवरेट है ये वीडियो से इज दिस लाइलैक शोल्डर बैग. नो, इट्स माइन. एंड अगेन आई लव दिस शुगर के प्रोडक्ट्स एंड या आई लव एवरीथिंग. और सो लेट्स ओपन द लास्ट.
Last but not least, tada!
Oh, it's from MCaffeine and I am guessing it's a skincare. Obviously उसके कोई मेकअप नहीं आते तो ये skincare ही होगा. Let's open our last gift. I am feeling so sad. I am very sad actually because ये हमारा last gift है. ये complete नहीं होना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है मुझे part 2 बनाना चाहिए इसके साथ. ये mystery box का and she will get more gifts for me. What do you think, you guys? No, guys. If you agree this, you have to mention in comment section. Oh my God. Oh shit. Look at you guys. It's the best gift of this video. आई नो ये क्या है. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट बट मैंने कभी इसको नहीं लिया बिकॉज आई डोंट नो. शिट, आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन लव. सो इट्स MCaffeine स्किन केयर बॉक्स एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड MCaffeine प्रोडक्ट्स. जो भी एक दो बार यूज किए इसके यूज किए. लेट्स ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइस. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Okay, so the last gift for today is this MCaffeine box. इसके अंदर फेस स्क्रब है, फेस वॉश है, बॉडी स्क्रब है, नैपकिन है. So I am in love with this and ये I guess सबसे biggest gift है ये पूरे वीडियो में. So thank you and I really loved all the gifts and thank you so much.
Welcome.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video interesting and you want me to make such more videos with my sister. Let me know in the comment section. Till
And
then,
subscribe to her channel.
yeah, till then do like, share and
And
subscribe
subscribe.
to my channel. Bye.